Hi everyone, I'm Claire from My Stitch Up Design and the CEO of Design Emporium, which is a new online marketplace for designers. I just thought I would quickly have a quick look. I just thought I'd go through the website quickly with you. So one thing in particular, if you are applying to become a vendor or if you are already a vendor, then there's just a couple of things of note. So if you went onto your vendor dashboard and settings and then store SEO, this is where you need to be putting in lots of tags and information and keywords which will help the store be found on social media and on Google, and it'll help your specific shop show up in search results as well. So this is what I've got for my particular design shop. So I've got SEO title, back my stitch up design, meta description. So I could put back my stitch up design, seamless pattern designer, sublimation files, mock-ups, clip art and other digital downloads. Meta keywords, we're going to add some into that. So I've got back my stitch up, graphic design, BMSU, obviously back my stitch up, digital downloads, surface design, repeat pattern, mock-ups, wall art, seamless pattern. I've got lots in there. Children's. Facebook title is obviously my Facebook title, which is back my stitch up seamless patterns. And then Facebook description, Facebook image, I'm going to put my logo in, and then on the logo you want to be putting your alt text on there as well. So I'm going to put back my stitch up design logo. Then I'm going to copy that, copy again for Design Emporium. Select. I'm not actually on Twitter, so I've put it in, but I'm not on there. And then save changes. And that's it. You can also go to your social profiles. So I've got my Facebook link on there, I haven't got Twitter, got Pinterest, YouTube and Instagram, and then update settings. Right, thanks for listening. If you like this content, then please give me a like below. If you like this content, then please subscribe or leave a comment. Thank you.